Hi, I'm Mitchel. I ride for GenerationBmx and this is my bike check. To start off with, I'm going to say what cranks I have. Amity Zenta cranks, very good and stable. Then I've got for weak people Lo-Fi V3 frames for 2010 version. The Odyssey Classics 41 forks. And for Alex Jagan's Lace 2 for old Odyssey hubs. My seat is Colts and Eastern two-post. I've got the Odyssey twist pedals and the Eastern bottom bracket. And my bars and my brake setup is Soul Beat for Odyssey linear brake table and a temper. And I have the Odyssey brake pads, they are very sharp. And my headset is a Cane Creek and my stem is Fit. And I ride the Odyssey half tyres and Maximum tyres, and got the blank sprocket with wide Odyssey chain. That's my bike check.
Nesting at 7, I watch the news at 11 and look for MCs I lyrically murdered and the bodies that I deserted. They probably didn't deserve it, but I had to do it to them. I got a pride of lines that love rap for me, so I threw it to them. The mighty Thor with the mind of Michael Moore. This type of war ends games like the final score. Self-titled, I can't see y'all for win.